Beautiful journey of today can only begin when we let go yesterday. I would suggest that leave behind all the scores, the bad memories, and the failures of class 9 because now you have entered the class 10th, first board class, and the first double digit class of your life. So, first of all, many congratulations. And in this video, I will be sharing some tips and tricks basically what to do and what not to do because the phase you will be going through the entire year, I have been through that. So, as a senior, let me start giving you some tips and tricks to aid your preparation because, yes, from just 1 month and something around 10 days from today, we'll be in class 10th officially. Class 10th ही निकल रहा मुझसे, class 11th. So, one thing I'm sure you must be doing that is waiting for the right moment to start your syllabus or restart your prep. So, just don't do that. So I hope that you got the first point. Moving on to the second point, we all know that concept is power, but question practice is must because at the end we'll be facing only questions and we often tend to ignore questions, which should not be the case. So in order to solve this question, I am having the best solution for you, that is the EduCard question bank, which is objective plus subjective for every subject for new batch, that is the 2022 to 2023 class 10 CBSE batch. As the board have not decided yet that will you be having annual exams or will be having term exams like us, so you should be prepared for both so that you don't face any problem at the right moment. So it contains chapter wise theory, latest syllabus, pattern questions and past year questions, that is PYQs. I have used EduCard books in my whole class 10 journey both in term 1 and term 2 and they have been of a great help to me, and that is why I am highly suggesting you to use these books and take your preparation to the next level because always remember that the one who start earlier get the most fruitful results. With all typologies of question, these can really aid your preparation because they contain each and every type of question with the topper corners like NCERT exemplar question, PYQs, diagram based question, activity based questions and competency based questions, case based questions. So the link of this book is in the description box down below. Make sure to check it out. So I would like to tell you that there must be some discount running on these books currently. But if you buy from EduCard's official website and use my code, that is vares_23, then you will get extra 12% off. So hurry up, don't waste this golden chance. So the next mistake that students often tend to do is that they don't follow the proper sequence or they even don't know the proper sequence that how to study a particular chapter. So I would like to tell you that first you should focus on NCERT, and after doing NCERT your second goal should be completing the NCERT exemplar of that chapter if it is science and maths. After completing NCERT exemplar, do all the previous year questions of all subject of the particular chapter you do because most students tend to ignore NCERT and NCERT exemplar because some questions come just from the line of NCERT in your exam and then you start regretting. Never do this blunder of ignoring NCERT and NCERT exemplar, and also previous year question or PYQs are an important part of your preparation. After that you can use any reference book you want, you can practice as much questions as you want, but these three things are just very important. Now I hope that you got to know the proper sequence which you need to follow, and yeah, now moving on to the next point, which is related to note making. So I would like to say that note making is a good thing, but yeah, it is not necessary. I personally feel like in grade 9th and 10th it is just a waste of time because you are not preparing for NEET or IIT JEE, that note will help you to that much great extent. No, they will not. But yeah, if you like to make note, that's a good habit, and yeah, notes will help you in your final revision. So I would like to say that make your own notes and do not take notes from teachers PDF, from YouTube and something like that. Don't refer to your friend notes. If you want to make notes, then make your own notes, and avoid taking digital notes, means take notes on physically on pen and paper. The next thing is, do not pour whole NCRT or the whole textbook you are reading from in your notes. Your notes should be concise, they should be shorts, or try to make your notes like short notes or flashcards. That will be more effective and more beneficial.
We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away.
So these are some best YouTube channels, and give them a try, and then sort out what subject you like to learn from each channel, and then just follow it.